Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Again 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Now 0 multiplies 0 is equal to also 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, E means exponent, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. In multiplication division both have equal priority, and addition and subtraction both have also equal priority. First priority is parenthesis, second exponent, third multiplication division, fourth addition and subtraction. Okay. So in this equation, here is a subtraction, here is multiplication, and here is also subtraction. So in this question, first priority is multiplication. So first we have to solve this 7 multiplies 7. So 7 minus 7 multiplies 7 is equal to 49 minus 7. Okay. Now here is a subtraction and here is subtraction. Both have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So 7 minus 49 is equal to minus 42 minus 7. Now minus 42 minus 7 is equal to minus 49. So the correct answer is minus 49. Okay. Please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.